I'm taking a guess. I put gasket in around that, between here and here, between that lip and there. I just wrapped it around, thing fit on. Lucas said, well, you should check that gasket there and see if it fits. And I pulled that out of the package that read rope seal 100 and hang on, let me get this out here. Sorry about that. It read that. So 20 mil, 190 millimeters long. And also this piece here was, there's a bunch of them that say 7 mil, 190 mils in length also. That was, this one here is 1700 mils. It's a big long one. I don't know where it is. I just pulled it out of the package thinking it was like, so I think we're going to give that a try. I've got it higher. I've got that mounted. Luke is just inspecting it right now to make sure it's right. And I'll see if this tub, this burner, sits on top. And hopefully we're closer than we were earlier today.